Welcome, everybody, to the 33rd Annual APS Electric Light Parade. We are your hosts. I'm Terry Olat.
And I'm Susan Casper. Thank you so much for joining us, and happy holidays.
Absolutely. You know, Susan, this event really does kick off the holiday season for so many folks. Over 100,000 people, once again, have lined the streets of downtown Phoenix.
That's right. They've been coming in for hours. A little bit of rain is not stopping them because they are so excited to feel all of the energy as they walk down the street, all of the phenomenal floats that have been lining up, the very talented performers that cannot wait to celebrate this year's theme, Walking in a Desert Wonderland.
All right, well, let's get started and let's kick it off right away here because we have the City of Phoenix Parks and Recreation Department proudly presenting the annual APS Electric Light Parade. You know, the Phoenix Park system is one of the best in the country, offering year-round programs for all ages. There's great open space programs, community centers, swimming programs, hiking in the preserves, and special events, so much more. A great parks and recreation system makes a great community. Visit phoenix.gov/parks to learn more.
The City of Phoenix Parks and Recreation Department, they have a lot of cool programs. PHX Teens, there they are. They are kicking off this year's Light Parade. PHX Teens, I love this. It provides today's teens with an opportunity to really connect and give back to their community. These teens, they are so excited to learn all about the cultural, social, and recreational opportunities to really help them realize their fullest potential. You can learn more about these tenacious lifestyle, their tenacious lifestyle at phoenix.gov/PHX Teen. And you know what? They're on social media. So let's give you the hashtag, hashtag PHX Teens.
Oh, we have Phoenix Vice Mayor Betty Guardardo and her family. And of course, she wants to wish all of you a very happy holiday. And of course, Vice Mayor Betty, she comes to us from District Number 5.
Yes, look at that. And those convertibles, we love that. Those convertibles are out, as is Councilwoman Laura Pastor. She is from District Number 4. And she would like to say happy holidays, Feliz Navidad, Merry Christmas, and Happy Hanukkah. Councilwoman Pastor, she sent a very special message for all of you out there tonight. She says, whatever you are celebrating, I wish you a happy, joyous, safe, and healthy holiday season. So she wishes that to all of the good folks along the parade route.
And we have now Phoenix Councilman Michael Nowakowski and his family. And they went all out decorating, didn't they? They want to wish you a very happy holiday season. He is proud to be a vibrant and strong part of our community that works to improve the quality of life for all of those who call Phoenix home. Say hello to everybody. The Nowakowski family hopes you and your loved ones and your neighbors have a merry holiday season filled with joy, warmth, love, and excitement for the new year. Boy, they have a lot of family.
They do.
Or a lot of friends.
Precious faces. Gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Look at the snowman.
Wow, that took a lot of work, didn't it?
Yes, it did. Can you hear that sound?
I love marching band.
The very first marching band of tonight's parade, the Gadsden Elementary School District Number 32 marching band. They are from San Luis, Arizona. That's located right in the southwest corner of the state. And this band, they have been all over the place. They're on the border of San Luis Rio, Colorado, and Mexico. They are composed of about 200 students. They are all lit up. Look at them. The Gadsden Marching Band, they've been highly recognized nationally and internationally, participating in parades all over. Let's take a listen.
All right, and here, it's the Parks Department Park Rangers to remind us to take a hike and do it right. The Take a Hike, Do It Right campaign reminds all of us to come prepared when going to hike our beautiful mountain preserves. If you're an out-of-towner watching now, listen up. They give us tips. Always wear the proper gear. Hike with a friend. Beware of the trail's difficulty rating.
Absolutely.
Stay on the designated trails. And, of course, have plenty of water. And, of course, you got to have fun.
That's right. Have a good time to be safe doing it. Fit PHX is the City of Phoenix's healthy living initiative. They're really pushing all of us to get out there and get active. It creates an innovative collaboration between the government, private sector, and nonprofits and universities. They've developed a really unique program that gives people tools and education to be healthier. Fit PHX's mission, it's to make the Phoenix area one of the healthiest cities in the nation. Phoenix.gov/Fit PHX.
Here we go, yet another marching band. The San Luis High School Band has participated in regional competitions and local parades. Recently, the band was invited to participate in the 2021 New Year's Day Parade in London.
Oh, wow.
I know.
We're so lucky.
They have 75 students under the direction of Jesus Martin Peralta, a renowned band director from Gadsden Elementary District School. Let's take a listen. The team at the City of Phoenix Public Works Department encourages everyone to preserve the natural beauty of our desert and environment by doing your part through reducing, reusing, and recycling so future generations can enjoy wintertime in the desert. And you know what?
Such a
That's
good
my
job
favorite.
decorating. Isn't that beautiful?
That looks gorgeous.
Yes. How many lights, I wonder?
I'm going to guess probably about a couple thousand.
Yeah, easily.
And I love the theme. They went with the theme, walking in a desert wonderland.
And look how they decorated the trash can. That is adorable. That's precious. All right, the Phoenix Public Transit. I love this. It gets you where you need to go, whether you're heading to work, school, or somewhere just for fun. Public transit has reliable, safe options just for you. And Terry, this is the best part. They have local and commuter buses and door-to-door services with people with disabilities.
Dial a ride.
You were talking about that.
Love it. You love
This is so important for folks who may be, shut in and not able to get around. You just name your Phoenix destination. They're going to pick you up from your home moving forward. I love it. Phoenix Public Transit. It's funded in part by Voter-Approved Transportation 2050.
We're going to get down now. GCU Club Spirit is here to add even more cheer to your holiday season, performing to a cheerful Christmas mix with lots of spirit. They're here to wish you a very Merry Christmas. Let's enjoy.
All right, we have to say hello to one of our sponsors, APS, the dazzling lights of two giant silver and gold holiday ornaments bearing the colorful APS logo coming down the street right now, brightening this beautiful winter night. We can't thank them as Arizona's largest and longest serving electric utility. APS is so proud to have been an integral part of the Electric Light Parade since the parade first started, Terry, back in 1986.
Wow.
And such a huge community partner, more than 120,000 hours these employees put into volunteering each and every year. And APS has donated $10 million annually, so we thank them for their sponsorship.
And here she is, our Grand Marshal, one of my friends. Hi, Beth. Hi, Beth.
How you doing?
I'm great. How are you? Look at
Awesome.
that. Beth
We need a
McDonald
tent.
in the 1952 Seagraves Fire
We don't need an
Engine.
umbrella, we need a tent.
Beth
Hi,
McDonald.
Monsters.
She has been the host
Listen
of
to Beth and Friends in the morning.
That's right.
Channel 15 is going to send me a bill for that.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Consider it done. She's been on the radio. I can't tell you how long.
So long.
35 years in the business.
Oh, one of the groups near and dear to our heart. Up next, the APS Volunteer Clown Troupe with a 1915 traditional GMC truck bringing us the wonderful sounds and laughter that always accompany the circus. Every year, the APS Clowns, they bring miles of smiles and loads of laughter to this parade. Established back in 1989, the APS Clown Troupe includes APS employees, family members, friends. They regularly roll out fun, of course, and frivolity to audiences at parades, hospitals, schools, of senior centers. They're all over Arizona and northern New Mexico. We love the clown.
Hi, honey. And look what's lighting up our night sky, our giant holiday light bulbs, courtesy of the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, number 387. Rain or shine, APS linemen and women are always ready to light up the sky, your home, or your business. And of course, we thank them. They go out. Most of us are hunkered down.
That's right. And this troop, 387, they have done such a sweet job decorating also the APS line truck. And we were talking about linemen. They do so much, rain or shine.
Right. Doesn't matter.
It does not matter. This lighted vehicle that you're looking at right now, it symbolizes the IBEW members' work in keeping the lights on for all of us. We may take it for granted, but I tell you what, when Arizona's fierce storms, they down power lines. The IBEW linemen, they are first on the scene, first on those power poles, working in the rain, in the snow and lightning to get our power restored. So we can't thank them enough.
And of course, next up is a balloon from APS and the Palo Verde Generating Station. APS is the operator and part owner of the Palo Verde Generating Station, the nation's largest producer of carbon-free energy. Palo Verde has helped keep Arizona green for more than 30 years, and they're going to continue to provide clean, reliable, and cost-effective energy to millions of people in the Southwest for decades to come.
Oh, look at this.
Wow.
I love the sound of the horns, the beep, beep, beep. Here's an annual, of course, crowd favorite. The lights on this truck. We were talking to them about how many lights they have strung on this truck. It's a lot.
Yeah,
it is a lot.
It takes a village to do that.
Yes.
You know, they did take a lot of workers in their spare time.
That's right. They do it all volunteer based.
Yes, and that's what most everybody out here has done. Is they volunteered their time and some cases their money.
Their hours and hours. I mean, we tried to make a float. It takes a lot. I mean, we only were out there for a short time. And here's an annual crowd favorite. Say hello to Santa and his reindeer. This is presented by Palo Verde Generating Station. Santa is sure to bring joy to the folks of all ages. Palo Verde, as you heard, the nation's largest source of clean air energy. And look at all those reindeer. How fun.
More fun to come from the APS Electric Light Parade right after the break.
Thanks to your generosity, Marines have delivered Christmas to children in need since 1947.
Welcome back to the 33rd Annual APS Electric Light Parade.
This year's theme, Walking in a Desert Wonderland. It's always red season throughout the valley. Here's the Arizona Cardinals holiday football float. It's not being led by 8-time reindeer. Instead, it's the Arizona Cardinals cheerleader drum line, flag crew, and team employees between the big Cardinals logo and the burly linemen in the middle of this football-themed holiday float. It's Arizona's favorite mascot, Big Red.
Oh, look at him.
Look at him. It looks like he's dressed as one of Santa's helpers there. One of the Cardinals cheerleaders cranking the famed Big Red siren, used every game to bring your Cardinals to the field. Happy holidays from the Arizona Cardinals. Rise up, Red Sea, rise up.
Oh, I love it. I love the snow. Look at that. That's awesome. For all of you out there, if you love Christmas music, then tune your dial to 99.9 KEZ, the Valley's home for Christmas music for over 20 years.
And also, you know what? Some of my friends, our friends, Operation Santa Claus's friends, 102.5 KNIX, today's best country and all-time favorites, featuring Tim, Ben, and Brooke. There they are right there. There's Barrel Boy. You see Barrel Boy? put a jacket on, Barrel Boy. Oh, listen to that. They're singing to us.
Oh, they sound great.
I think Barrel Boy needs a shirt. Poor little guy. Oh, my gosh. They are the home to some of today's best country. They are our favorites.
Oh, they love Operation. Oh, look at that.
Oh,
they
yes.
look so...
My mom Boots is pretty happy right now. Here come the Phoenix Suns, and they want to wish you and your family a very happy holiday season. They hope to get to celebrate with you at Talking Stick Resort Arena. They're going to host some great December games coming up, right? Tickets are always on sale. They always make great stocking stuffers, and you can visit suns.com to purchase yours today.
We love the gorilla.
There he is.
Love supporting the Suns. And making it so easy for you to save money. Our little sweetheart, ABC 15 smart shopper, Chelsea Davis. She is out and about every day looking out for you and getting you the best deals that make shopping easier for you and your entire family. She looks adorable. Hey, honey.
Hi, Chelsea.
You can see Chelsea's deals weekdays on ABC 15 News.
And feed a family, make a kid happy. Win a new car from Sanderson Ford. There is our very own Nohelani Graff from ABC 15 riding in a Mustang from Sanderson Ford. Hey, Nohe. She anchors the ABC 15 morning weekends. For 19 years, ABC 15 is honored to be one of the partners of this community donation drive for Operation Santa Claus.
And let's hear it for the spirit of the Fiesta Bowl. We all know that sunshine right there. The Fiesta Bowl is more than just the best of college football here in Arizona. The Fiesta Bowl Charities has granted $10 million to Arizona nonprofits in the last 4 years and $3 million this year alone. That is huge, including $1 million to Arizona educators by prioritizing youth, sports, and education. The Fiesta Bowl, they work year-round, Terry, really to inspire the pride of all Arizonans. We all know about the Fiesta Bowl, so that's so cool. You can visit fiestabowl.org to learn more. And we are in full swing here at the APS Light Parade. But another big event that is just around the corner is the 2020 census. That's right. April 1st of 2020 is Census Day. And for every person counted, the state receives $3,000 in funding for vital social services. You may not even think about this. What does the census do? What does this money mean? It goes to schools. It goes to hospitals. It goes to parks and emergency services. And Arizona stands to receive $20 billion. That's with a B.
Whoa.
$20 billion. And only if every household fills out that census form. So it's very important. So go to iCount2020.com. That's iCount2020.com for more information and make sure your household is represented.
Well, with opening day 2020 right around the corner, the Arizona Diamondbacks are excited to build off of their third straight winning season in 2019. Look for the return of all-star Ketel Marte, Gold Glove winners Nick Ahmed and David Peralta, and switch-hitting slugger Eduardo Escobar, and, of course, Baxter, their mascot. He's accompanied here by manager Tori Lavulo, the on-track bullpen card and D-back team players from one of the Valley's best places to work, an organization that, by the way, has donated over $67 million to charities since the ball club's inception in 1998. That's a lot of money.
And, mascots around here, they're known for the mascots. Baxter's one of the best.
Yeah, he is.
He's one of the best mascots. We love him.
He was in our studio one morning. Actually, he was in. I walked into the. We have a makeup room that we all do our makeup in. He was standing in there like I go, what are you doing? And I had fun. He was just like, going like this, like. I don't know what he was doing. It was hilarious.
He was just having a good time. Baxter's one of the best.
Yeah, he's a lot of fun.
All right, hang on tight because here comes one of the largest, happiest, and merriest elves in all of Phoenix, brought to you by Michael A. Pollock and Pollock Tempe Cinemas, where not only will you see award-winning movies in full digital and sound, but you will capture it all in the luxury and comfort of an all-new theater seating.
You were just there.
I was, and I love the Pollock Cinemas. The popcorn's amazing, by the way.
It's just
so
there
good.
yesterday.
Yes, this is a great time because it's an incredible time to see some really great movies, and you're going to have the total movie experience. Your whole family, you can bring everybody to the movies for, guess what, $3.50. And they also have one of the absolute most incredible holiday light displays in the Valley. There's going to be sure to get a twinkle in your eye. Those lights are they're in the shopping plaza. They're inside. They're right there on the southeast corner of McClintock and Elliott and Tempe. Michael and his family, the entire staff of Pollock Cinemas. I was with him yesterday. He was giving me big hugs because he couldn't wait to get down here. We want to wish all of you a joyous holiday season.
Look at what's happening here.
They're going at it.
Crazy. All right. Well, speaking of energy, listen closely. You can hear exciting, exuberant, heart-pounding music that makes you want to jump up and rock out. It's the energetic sounds of corporate affair brought to you by the band's founder and drummer extraordinaire, developer, and highly visible community business leader, Michael A. Pollack. He is celebrating 46 years in business. This is a tradition of his, a spectacular sight, all the lights, all the sounds. And guess what? He wants to wish everyone the warmest, merriest, happiest holiday wishes. He's up there jamming out right now. You're going to see him.
I told him that we would wave, Terry. I promised him that we would wave, so we have to do it because he is such an incredible drummer. He could not wait to get down here to entertain all of you.
Look at them. They're all rocking out. I want to be on that float.
Oh, they are. And he always wins at this parade for having one of the best floats. And there's no denying it. There really isn't. Oh, I love the song.
Dance to the music.
All right, we want to say hello to the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office. Our region has some of the best recreation in the country, including our beautiful lakes, and the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office is here, along with one of the Lake Patrol Division's airboats, all decked out for the holidays, reminding you to be safe out there on the water. We've been giving you those reminders and do it all year long. Once again, this year the Sheriff's Office, they will be partnering with area businesses and the Society of St. Vincent de Paul for their annual toy drive, so we thank them for that. Really
that was
cool.
just the sheriff. There you go. Sheriff Paul Penzone and his beautiful wife, Veronica. Boy, the Sheriff's Department went all out this year. Look at this. They brought in their bus. They've got their boats. They've got it all out there this year.
Marching down the street, we have the Orangewood Elementary School Band. They are accompanied by the Washington High School Band under the direction of Dominic Collinroe and Jason Landash. Enjoy the beautiful music of Joy to the World, Good King Wenceslas, and Hark the Herald Angels Sing. Let's take a listen. More from the 33rd Annual Electric Light Parade right after this.
On the first day of the holiday season, my producer gave to me one great idea.
2 talented hosts.
3 TV cameras. 4 studio lights.
5 scripted scenes.
6 mic checks. 7 hashtags.
8 outtakes.
9 coffee breaks.
10 married people.
And 11 on your TV dial. Smile. Happy holidays from our Phoenix TV family to yours.
Welcome back to the 2019 APS Electric Light Parade.
For more than 3 decades, this parade has been bringing holiday cheer to the streets of Central Phoenix.
And look, we have Maricopa County School Superintendent Steve Watson presents Students and Robots in a Desert Wonderland. Superintendent Watson encourages more than 700,000 K-12 students in Maricopa County to embrace science, technology, engineering, and math in all of their studies. He's joined by more than 50 high school robotics team members, their teachers, their mentors, and their robots, of course, from school. They've got them appropriately covered, right? They're from all over Maricopa County, and all educators can find valuable teaching resources online at schoolsup.org.
Representing the Tolleson Union High School District, the Pride of Tolleson Marching Band. Now this band, it is composed of 3 schools. It's really cool. The Tolleson area has Tolleson Union High School, they have La Jolla High School, and our newest school, their newest school, West Point High. They all collaborate to make one big band. And we hope you enjoy the holiday tunes that they're belting out. They want to wish everyone an amazing holiday season. Let's take a listen.
Arizona Bus Club is a local nonprofit organization dedicated to the restoration and preservation of the Volkswagen Transporter. Look at that. How many people can you fit in a Volkswagen? I don't know. Every year the club restores a bus, they raffle it off, and then they donate the proceeds to local charities. I think that is so cool. September 2020 will be the club's 30th Jerome Jamboree, where a bus will be raffled off for a $1 ticket if you're interested. So this year the Arizona Bus Club is followed by Walter, the world's largest Volkswagen bus. Visit azbusclub.org if you want to buy a raffle ticket. And there he is. There's Walter.
Yay.
I was waiting for Walter. I don't know how many VWs were in front of him.
I feel like a 3-year-old.
He's got a face. He glows. It is the world's largest VW bus. And he, oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
That's beautiful.
Their sign says climb aboard, and I feel like I want to.
That's a party bus right there.
Yes, it is. Can you imagine you and I taking a ride in that? Oh, designer, builder, and artist David Hale displays the Arizona desert. I love this, including saguaro, acatillos, and mesquite. Oh, look at that. Backed by mesas, canyons, and plains of the high country, along with a couple of prominent coyotes, snakes, rabbits, and other critters with lights, and more lights. These are just the backdrop of the most amazing walk in a desert wonderland. What a great, great float.
Now, this is a family tradition if I've ever seen one before. The Dolan family, they're having a boot-stomping great time this year as they share their dazzling desert wonderland float. They have continued this tradition in this family for 33 years. That's the entire time this parade has been coming down the streets in Phoenix. And once again, building a float together instead of exchanging gifts is what they do.
I love that.
I do too.
What a great tradition.
Wow, and that's beautiful.
That is beautiful. Those little ones on that float are going to remember this for a lifetime. All right, we've been talking a lot lately about the electric revolution. Well, it continues to go full speed ahead. The Electric Auto Association of Arizona celebrating 2019 with an illuminating collection of production battery-powered electric vehicles. Now, these vehicles, they are glowing with LED Christmas lights and ensuring a zero-pollution future. So many people love this. Let's hear it for plug-in power.
Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, seriously. Hell on Wheels Minis. It's a local group of miniature horses. How cute is this? They enjoy minis while participating in parades, horse shows, driving them in carts, right? And especially giving back to the community by using them as therapy horses, which is very cool.
That's very cool.
They visit care homes and hospitals, and they bring residents there a big smile. There's a good number of minis here, by the way. Mm-hmm. They were given a second chance at life by being rescued.
Oh,
so that is
I love. Look
really
how
cool.
adorable are they? And I wonder if they're enjoying the kind of the rain. I wonder if they like it.
I don't know. I don't know.
I know that's a crazy question, but we wish we could ask them. They look like they are.
They look like they're having fun.
Oh, my goodness. All right. Well, oh, gosh, isn't that fabulous?
Wow.
Rent the Tesla of your dreams from Spark Rental. How cool is that? I love how the doors open on that thing. All right. So we do have all Teslas. They do have all Teslas from the Model X to the Model S, Model 3, and the original Roadster. And if you are not sure about the electric car experience, you can rent a Tesla, test it out, take it up and down the roadways here in the Valley, see if you like it, and experience the future of sustainable transportation. Look at those baby Teslas. I want one of those.
That's the one I want as well.
Yeah. How fun is that?
They're learning how to drive. There's our future right there.
That is so cute.
You have to have baton twirlers in a parade. Hello. And here they come. They're the talented twirlers of the Arizona Twirling Athletes Show Corps. They're joining us here for their 28th year. We thank them for doing that.
Yes.
As a past winner in the performance category, this unit is directed by Becky Hewitt, who has coached Arizona champions for the past 47 years.
Wow, go Becky.
All right, providing the most progressive baton twirling for athletes 5 to 17 years old. Sometimes, get this, juggling 3 fire batons at one time.
Wow.
Is their specialty.
That is incredible. Look at how high she's throwing that.
Do you know how to twirl a baton?
Not like that. I could do it like that, maybe, but not like that. Throwing it up and with fire on the ends, that's incredible. And Becky Hewitt, her tradition as the director of Arizona's twirling athletics, enthusiastic about the design of this float, because they're not only walking, but they have a float, and it's entitled Twirling in a Desert Wonderland, of course, keeping with the theme. They're right behind us, and those folks, it's a 6-foot saguaro cactus. It's really, really cool, and it's spinning, it's twirling on top, along with the prickly pear, yucca, and a huge LED holiday tree. Now, this is a 20,000 light float here. We're talking 20,000 red, green, and white lights. It's about 30 feet by 13 feet high float. It's constructed by the twirlers and their families. They want to wish everyone out there a happy holiday, happy and healthy holiday.
And back again to lift holiday spirits is the Toyota Lift of Arizona. Their forklift float features over, get this, 4,000 lights. It has multiple lifts on it. And the wonderful people. That was a pretty good rendition.
Yes.
It's the wonderful people who work there who put this whole thing together. It's gorgeous.
Our next band is so perfectly suited in name tonight, the Marching Monsoon. They're from Valley Vista High School in Surprise, Arizona. The Marching Monsoon is led by drum majors Morgan DeMiola and Caroline Doors, under the direction of Andrew Torbert. Let's take a listen.
All right, with this 1960 London Routemaster bus, it's owned by the Red Bus realtor, Rob Olson. The bus is used as a goodwill ambassador to the community, and Rob hosts a variety of holiday events in the South Mountain Levine area of town. For more information, head to southmountainlightsdisplay.com to learn more. Wow, that's a nice bus.
That is cool, yeah. All right, maybe you're not taking a dip tonight, that's for sure. We Fix Ugly Pools teaming up with Boom Video Trucks to help welcome the holiday season in a very unique and memorable way on 160 square feet of video LED screens. And I see those zooming around town. That is the coolest thing.
Sunset Vista Bobcats are back again this year. Looks like we have the Bobcat cheerleaders with their mascot, Bobby the Bobcat, as well as the National Junior Honor Society members handing out goodies to some of our lovely communities, checking out the parade, looking festive and ready for the holidays.
We want to take a walk through our desert wonderland with howling coyotes, cowboy snowmen, swaying palm trees, and, of course, festively decorated saguaros, all underneath the beautiful starry Arizona sky, accented with over 20,000 lights. The International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, Local Union 640 members, and their families, wishing all of you out there a very warm and happy holiday season. They look amazing.
Thanks for watching the APS Electric Light Parade.
We'll be back with more in just a minute. You're watching the 33rd Annual APS Electric Light Parade.
With over 90 entries, hundreds of thousands of lights, bringing holiday cheer to the streets of Phoenix. I can feel my body pulsating.
yeah.
These are the award-winning Cesar Chavez drumline. They are champion drumlines from Laveen, Arizona, out there braving the rain. This is their 5th performance here at the Electric Light Parade. Their drumline loves to play music and get their groove on.
And he knows when you've been sleeping. He knows when you're awake. I'm not going to sing. Don't worry.
Oh, darn it.
He knows if you've been bad or good. So we hope the Cardinals are good, for goodness sake. Rise up, Red Sea. Big Red is coming up next, and we are not talking about Santa Claus this time. It is the giant cardinal, this steel sculpture. Isn't that so cool?
Wow.
It's made by the Laveen family. It stands about 13 feet tall, and you can get up to about 15 miles. It can get up about 15 miles per hour, running a deep route, right? Shay, Matt, Kate, they are big Cardinals fans. They want to wish everybody out there a winning season this year. Go Cards, go.
Now, this is the Wynn family. I love how so many families get involved. This is their 2nd year participating in the parade. This is their 1955 Chevy pickup. Guess what? It was bought new in Phoenix and has been in the family.
That is awesome.
Ever since. And what better way to celebrate this year's theme than to take a walk through a desert wonderland with your best friend.
Nestled in the heart of Phoenix, Valley View's band program has thrived for decades. They compete nationally. Oh gosh, the students you hear before you, they have been playing for about 3 or 4 years. They are superior ranked musicians, and these students are so proud to be members of Valley View and the Roosevelt School District. Let's take a listen.
I like their costumes.
Yeah, they're nice and warm. They look warm.
Oh, check this out, man. Showboss AV is an audio-visual company and is the Valley's leader in LED video walls, rentals, and sales. The dye-colored LED video panels are made of over 1 million
Wow.
LED lamps.
Technology, man. I love this. This is so cool.
That's the perfect entry for a light parade.
I agree.
Right?
I agree. All right, twirl, twirl, twirl. 850 Zip. It was born to create stronger neighborhoods and communities by magnifying the importance every individual makes on the economic vitality and social infrastructure of society. Be you. Be the good.
Oh, this is the Williams family. They have always enjoyed participating in the APS Electric Light Parade and have come together this year with family and friends to create their very own float. Everything you see has been handmade, covered
Oh, my goodness.
in more than 40,000 lights, you guys. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the Williams family version of Walking in a Desert Wonderland.
Well, this is fun. The Camelback, Kiwanis, Kenilworth Elementary K-Kids and Builders Club. I love this. And Camelback High School. It's the Key Club. They've all joined together to celebrate the array of cactus and culture to be found, and of course, in our wonderful state here of Arizona and all the beautiful deserts. Mexican folk dancers, hikers, miners, and cowpokes, tribal members, farmers, and pioneers, all enjoying the fun of walking in a desert wonderland. Camelback Kiwanis, we build better schools.
All right, they are lighting up the night. These are folks that work behind the scenes. 1 in 5 adult children are caring for their elderly parents. So we want to give a shout out to caregivers, giving hot meals, transportation, and love to those who need it most. And guess what? This is for all of those skilled nurses working around the clock, right? It's
we
the behind
love
the
them.
scenes. It's the foundation for senior living.
Happy holidays from the Cortez High School Marching Band. They are performing your favorite Christmas hits in a joyful Christmas spirit. The Cortez Marching Band is excited to bring you the Carol of the Colts.
Do you feel like a snowman in your home this winter? Arizona HVAC will help you feel toasty like a marshmallow in no time. Arizona HVAC is in the West Valley, and they keep you comfortable in your desert wonderland the entire year round. And what a beautiful float they put together for the parade.
One of the things I love about our valley is all of the family-owned businesses. We have the privilege, of course, of meeting a lot of those companies. And family-owned and operated landscaping contractors has been servicing the valley for more than 40 years. It's fun to work with people you love. Your property, their reputation. Happy holidays from our family to yours.
All right, look what is lighting up the streets right now. Ballet Folklorico. They're celebrating, get this, 38 years of dancing under the direction of David Carrillo. The group has more than 175 first-place trophies for parade performances. They're based in Southwest Phoenix. They instill discipline, respect, and responsibility in their dancers. And hopefully Ballet Folklorico de Santa Maria will have another opportunity to dance into your heart. Oh, they're gorgeous. Stunning.
Yes, their costumes are beautiful. All right, I want to ask you guys a question out there. Raise your hand if you are a pet lover. Yes, well, we love our fur babies, right? Of course we do. And the Arizona Humane Society loves them too, and they are on a mission to find as many fur-ever homes.
Oh, good one.
For homeless pets right here in the valley this holiday season. Terry, I know you rescued your puppy. I rescued my puppy. It feels good, doesn't it?
It sure does. And there are so many dogs and cats out there who need a forever home. Career Success Schools is celebrating 20 years by identifying all 4 of their schools. It's the Tech High School, the Robert L. Duffy High School, North High School, and Sage Elementary. They've all come together to wish all of you at home a very happy holiday.
And we want to tell you, there are some cheerleaders that are coming down to do their thing. Now, we were talking about being careful. Right. We definitely want the Edison cheerleaders to be careful. They work so hard to show school spirit, to lead their peers and classmates, and to have a whole lot of fun.
And what would the holidays be without music? The Arizona Girls Choir brings you good cheer at Christmas and all year long with their holiday and spring concerts. Let's listen in.
We certainly hope you're enjoying this year's APS Electric Light Parade,
because there's still more holiday magic to come. Welcome back to the 33rd Annual APS Electric Light Parade.
This year's entrants are certainly celebrating the theme, Walking in a Desert Wonderland. And soaring down the road is Arizona's own nationally recognized college preparation program, Aguila Youth Leadership Institute. Now, this year marks Aguila's 15th year, serving more than 15,000 students and parents to prepare for high school, college, career, and life success. Aguila students can be found at more than 100 high schools, 15 elementary schools, 150 colleges and universities across the country, as well as studying or working as engineers, nurses, doctors, lawyers, teachers, entrepreneurs, and more all over the world.
Well, this next group of dancers comes to us from Steppin' Out Performing Arts, located in Litchfield Park. Performers range in age from 7 to 18, and they're so excited to be here to light up the night with their dance moves. Let's check them out.
Go, ladies.
Yeah, they have a lot of dancing ahead of them.
They do.
They're having fun, wet or not.
That's right. They're on scooters.
What?
Yes.
That's cheating.
In Phoenix, they ride with the Sonoran Sunriders Scooter Club. That's how the reindeer get around. If you have
the abominable snowman, too.
Oh, my goodness. If you have a scooter, you're invited to ride with them. They go all over the place, man. They jump on those scooters and they just go to town. So check them out. That's the Sonoran Sunriders Scooter Club.
Well, here is an amazing Arizona tradition right here. Arizona's very own professional Mexican Folklore Dance Academy. They join us this year celebrating their 25th anniversary of sharing the beauty of Mexican folklore dance with students of all ages.
Oh, look at there's more bubbles. Look at those costumes. Oh, they came in our studio. You remember that?
Oh,
and
yeah.
I'm in awe of the detail on the color is so vibrant.
And the talent. They truly are talented dancers and performers.
And we're talking about tradition, and we've talked about the amazing tradition of this parade. Well, the Phoenix Eckankar float, a gift of tradition. Hugh is an ancient name. It means God, and sung by people of all faiths all over the world. Sing Hugh and experience divine love in your life.
Is an interesting one. I'd like to know why they chose this name to be called the Nocturnal Car Club. I don't know. Do they drive around in the dark?
I think so.
I don't know. They are a worldwide car club, believe it or not. They enter events and shows all over the world. The members have custom built their own cars and trucks to their liking, and then they travel around and they enter shows and competitions as a group. And it is, it's their own club that it's what they enjoy doing, and now they're sharing it with all of us.
Oh, look at the detail on that paint job. That's cool.
That is beautiful.
All right, this amazing structure, it stands over 11 feet tall. Every piece is handcrafted over the past 3 years. All right, this is the Arizona native flamingo, also known as the dirty bird. It's more than a wonderland in the desert. It displays workmanship and dedication from these artists. Please stand up and shout for the one and only Dirty Bird. The flamingo.
So why walk when you can dance in a desert wonderland? The Dance Project will dazzle you with fancy footwork and a fiery phoenix. These amazing kids are an award-winning competition team, by the way. They love to spread their holiday cheer and their passion. The Dance Project is led by the Dirty Bird art car created by local artisan Jesus Jaramillo and family, and featured at the world-renowned Burning Man, by the way. So, you know what? Together they build hope and dance and thrive in our art community.
Look at these guys. Cruise Down Grand is a local, it's a local cruise club. They are so cool. Look at that. He's doing a wheelie there. Cruise Down Grand loves giving back to the community by giving everyone something nice to look at and enjoy.
You ever been in one of those, Susan?
I have not, but I am in awe. I mean, look at the hydraulics on this. What? What? That's called three-wheeling or two-wheeling.
And I've been in one of those lowriders, and they jack it up and down, and it's like body jarring. But I have to tell you, if I was in one of those, I feel like we were going to tip over. Look at that. That right there, my friends. That's impressive.
Yeah, that is impressive.
They build all that themselves. That is their deal. Very, very talented.
And I'm sure they love this because of the theatrics of it, because you can't really do this, going down the highway. Right. You have to have a really special place to, of course, showcase your vehicle. So that's really, really cool. I love that.
And but what better way to do that than right here at our 33rd annual APS Light Parade, by the way. And the AZ Mini Bike Builders, you know what? They're an AZ RC club, okay? So they have like the mini bikes, they do the cars. They're local groups. They bring the magic of hobbies to life within our amazing desert wonderland communities. And throughout the year, you can catch them spreading joy while riding their bikes and driving their cars, their mini cars. They're so awesome. Look at that. That right there too. That's a talent all by itself.
Yes, it is. He's very. You noticed how he was concentrated,
very
focused on making sure that vehicle stayed on the road.
And they have RC parks around the valley where people can take their mini cars like that, and they race them, and they have tracks. I used to do that with my boys when they were little. It's so cool. Oh, now these are my people coming up right here.
This is all you, Tio. Arizonans like Terry and a lot of you out there, you get to walk in a desert wonderland. However, the AZATV members, they prefer to spend their time exploring four-wheeling through our desert wonderland. By doing so, they have been able to see many countless amazing views, historical locations across our beautiful state. They're from all over Arizona, these ATV riders. Happy holidays. They want to wish everybody out there. And they also say happy trails to all of you. And ISM Raceway has 2 exciting NASCAR race weekends in 2020. Have you been to a NASCAR race?
I have not.
Oh, my gosh. It is the most exhilarating thing ever. Look
at that.
Oh, my gosh. It is so much fun. And of course, the Fan Shield 500 Speed Fest. It's March 6th through the 8th. It is the home of the 2020 NASCAR Championship Weekend, November 6th through the 8th. Plus, don't miss Zoomtown's Lights, the West Valley's brightest holiday light tradition. And Danita Manning is out tonight campaigning. She is asking for your vote for Town Council in 2020 in Youngstown, Arizona.
That's Marco Crane and Rigging right there. They have done an amazing job with their float. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. They went back to the old Wild Wild West with a winter style to represent the Grand Canyon State. Last year, Marco Crane and Rigging took home 2nd place, by the way, in the large commercial category. You can hear them in the back for the APS Electric Light Parade.
This is Meridian Concrete, Marty and Concrete pumping with true Arizona winter desert charm right there. A little bit of a twist. Santa and his elves, they are reveling in the Arizona desert winter wonderland while tubing down the lazy river. They are headed south for the warmer temperatures. I don't blame them. It's snowbird season.
Well, Marty and Transport, they brought the big guy to the big parade. Wait until you see this. We're talking 9 axles fully loaded with desert holiday cheer. That's where you see the trucks with the oversized load coming before it. There he is right there. Marty and Transport's family business hauls cargo, freight, including oversized loads right there. Marty and Transport, they're going to make it happen on time and safe. And they want to say from their family at Marty and Transport to yours, a very happy holiday season.
Oh my goodness.
You hear
I'm
it?
Getting chills. Ho, ho, ho.
Yay.
Finally. Oh, I know the kids have goosebumps.
This is it.
It is the jolly old man himself.
This is the moment that we have all been waiting for. I need to have a talk with him, by the way.
You know what I'm about to ask you. I know you know what I'm about to ask you. Have you been naughty or nice to you?
I've been naughty.
Hey, Santa.
Oh, we love Santa. I tell you what, he brings us so much joy. And it is so great to see him at our APS Electric Light Parade, because without Santa, it certainly wouldn't be a parade. And a big hug and a warm welcome from Santa to all of you kids at home. Now, you better be good for the rest of this year, because Santa knows whether or not you've been naughty or nice.
The City of Phoenix is proud to continue this magical holiday tradition. And Terry, I have to say, this one was the best so far.
I agree. And we have to do a huge shout out to our friends, APS. We thank you for your partnership, your sponsorship, in order to keep this magical event going right here in the city.
That's right. And APS, as well as the Parks and Recreation Department, they want to thank all of you for coming out once again. And we want to wish all of you the happiest of holidays.